In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Einstein settings in Salesforce. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look so you can quickly find every Einstein-related control without hunting through menus. First, head to the top right corner of your Salesforce screen and click the gear icon. This is your admin doorway into configuration. From the drop-down, select Open Advanced Setup. That option takes you out of your current app view and into the main setup area, where all org level settings live. If you're ever unsure you're in the right place, just remember, the gear icon leads to the setup choices, and Open Advanced Setup is what you want for admin configuration rather than personal preferences. Once the setup page loads, look to the left-hand panel. You'll see a search box labeled Quick Find. This field is incredibly handy because it filters settings as you type, so you don't have to memorize the full navigation tree. Click into that search box and simply type Einstein. You don't have to worry about capitalization. The search is flexible and will match what you need either way. As soon as you type Einstein, the list below will populate with all the Einstein settings and subsettings available in your org. You'll see a structured set of options for the different Einstein features, grouped so you can dive into the specific area you're interested in. This is the central hub for reviewing what's enabled, exploring capabilities, and understanding where each Einstein component is configured. It's a great way to get a full picture of what's available to you without clicking through multiple menus. If your list looks shorter than expected, don't panic. Availability can vary based on your edition, licenses, and permissions. Some organizations will see a long list of Einstein features. Others might only see a few. That doesn't mean you're in the wrong place. It just reflects what's turned on for your environment right now. Also, spelling matters in the quick find box, so if nothing appears at first, double check the word Einstein and try again. And that's all there is to it. Click the gear icon, choose Open Advanced Setup, use the quick find search on the left, type Einstein, and you'll have the complete set of Einstein settings right at your fingertips. Keep this simple pathway in mind the next time you need to review AI features, adjust a configuration, or just learn what's available in your Salesforce org. Thanks for watching, and happy configuring.